Ever wonder why your houseplants look so sad sometimes? Or why a field of crops can wither away in a drought? It all comes down to one simple, yet vital, ingredient: water. Just like us, plants are mostly made of waterware. Talking 70 to 90%. It's their lifeblood. And without it, everything starts to shut down. So, what exactly happens when a plant gets thirsty? First, its most essential life functions grind to a halt. Think of photosynthesis, the process where plants make their own food using sunlight and carbon dioxide. To do this, they need water. When water is scarce, plants do something clever. They close tiny pores on their leaves, called stomata, to stop losing moisture. But there's a catch. Closing these pores also means they can't take in the carbon dioxide they need for food.
So, no water? No food? It's that simple. But that's not all.
Water also acts like a delivery truck, dissolving nutrients from the soil and carrying them up from the roots to the rest of the plant. Without water, this whole nutrient highway shuts down. The plant is essentially starving, even if the soil is rich in minerals. And have you ever noticed how plants seem to stay cool on a hot day? That's thanks to transpiration, which is like plant sweat. They release water vapor through their leaves to cool down. When there's no water to spare, they can't regulate their temperature, and their cells can literally start to cook. Now, let's talk about the signs you can actually see. The first thing you'll notice is wilting. Water inside plant cells creates something called turgor pressure, which is what keeps stems and leaves firm and upright. When a plant is dehydrated, it loses this pressure. The cells shrink, and the whole plant starts to droop. At first, it might perk up after a good watering, but if it goes on for too long, the wilting becomes permanent. Next, you'll see leaves turning yellow, drying out, and eventually falling off. This is the plant's last-ditch effort to survive. By shedding leaves, it reduces the surface area where water can be lost. Below ground, the roots also suffer. They become shorter and weaker, unable to dig deeper to find hidden water sources. It's a vicious cycle. If the drought continues, the plant's cells suffer irreversible damage. All metabolic processes stop completely, and the plant withers and dies. For our gardens and farms, this means a beautiful flower is lost or an entire crop fails. So, the next time you pick up that watering can, remember, you're not just giving your plant a drink, you're delivering food, providing air conditioning, and keeping its entire world running. Thanks for watching! If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Green Thumb tips. Happy planting!